Alright, here we are at the beach. Me, Julie, Dylan, Devin, and Dean. Hello, children. And as you can see, bird shadows, because we buried Dean alive, and we put food on his back.
And we're gonna try to get the seagulls.
One already swooped down on him.
Yeah, one already.
Now
Wild boy.
he's the wild boy.
And look at his mouth. Right. He got 5 o'clock shadow from the sand. Now let's watch the seagulls try to.
Let's watch from a safe distance. Where are they? There's one. See it on that sign?
Yes. Yeah, there's some food right here. See it? Wait.
We should get more food.
Jen, right here is millions of sand.
Oh, I see a shadow.
Yep, go.
Devin! Oh, it went over there. It's waiting till we all back away.
Okay, let's come back here. Dean looks real good.
Dean, are you alright? Yeah. It's all in your mouth. Hello, Seagull. Don't you want some tasty food? Off of Dean's back. Get him, Seagulls! There's one.
Shadows going by.
Yeah, you could see the shadows on the tape.
You can?
Yeah. This sucks now. They won't go there because...
Of course, when we get the camera.
I know, really. They were like all over the place. We were like
a dance.
Do the key on dance.
Here comes, look,
Shadow! Here they are!
Here they come.
Oh, they both flew in different directions, everybody. You alright, Dean?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's speaking. Oh, shadows!
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Here they come. Where'd that one from the sign left?
That's the one from the sign. Here they come. Here comes the note. Just keep on saying, here they come, and they're gonna come. You gotta get their attention. Go get another bait. Go get more bait.
That one just pooped.
Guys, go get more bait.
You go get more bait. I'm taping.
You need more. Yeah, Jolie. Please, Jolie, can you? Since you're not doing anything.
You're not doing anything either.
Yeah.
What song are you singing?
Sing Rockstar, like Carrie song.
Oh.
Fine, can I hold the camera and you look
Holy
over it?
crap, no. Molly dropped my other camera. Where are they?
Can I see it?
There's one all the way.
Can I see it?
She dropped it.
I know, but I won't. Here, let me see.
Yeah, right. You'll probably drop it in the ocean.
No, I won't.
You'll be the first one to drop a camera.
Yeah, like I'll take it and I'll throw it in the ocean from here. Just leave the bag there, because once this bird picked up the bag.
For like 2 seconds, though.
Okay, where's Dean? Dean, say hi.
Oh, shadow! Film it! Up there. It's going away. Back up.
Here comes.
Here we go.
Film Dean. It's going down. Film him.
Oh, come on.
Still
Just
coming?
eat it, retard. Dean's not going to hurt you.
Should I get another bag?
Dean, I guess we need to get more bait. Jen is going to take the camera back right now. Shadow!
Shadow, look.
Okay, guys, say hi.
Yo. Somebody go get more food.
Anyone want to say hi?
Here comes.
Devin.
Shadow.
Oh, that one was right there. That one was like...
Look.
Yeah. Shut the heck up. That one was right in front of you.
Look, here they come.
Dylan, that one was like right in front of you. You can see their shadows. Look at... I got that. Look at them all. Dean!
Here they come. They might eat them alive. Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh my God, Dean.
Stay still, Dean.
Stay strong. Oh, here goes one. I got that. They're sitting on him. They're sitting on him. Stay, Dean, stay.
Stop yelling.
Get more. Guys, get more.
No one seagull feels like.
Did you get it? Should I get more?
Guys, I think all the food is gone. Devin, go get more. Hurry up before they all go away. Run.
God, you guys are like ridiculous.
It's fun.
Devin put a whole bag of it on his back.
Everyone, look at those guys.
They're looking at us. How long did you tape this?
It's taping.
Oh, really good.
Did you put anything on him?
No, there's nothing on him except